Okay. Ken, are you ready to provide more explanation? That will go over the answers, and then after each questions, when the answer is displayed, you feel free to comment. Can you see the first slide on question number 1? Let's see if it goes. Damn it. Can you see this? Question number 1. Yes, thank you. There are some people super fast at thumbing up. This is great. Okay. So what are the differences in environments between Formula worker nodes and those at other sites, assuming the site supports singularity? So now that I've given the answer, I am going to end the poll. So here we go. And the answer for the question number 1 was C, no difference. Ken, comments.
Yeah, that's why I specifically said if it supports singularity, because remember that the default singularity image is built in the same way that the default primary worker node image is. So it really has the same stuff.
Excellent. Thank you, Ken. Let's go to the second question. After setting up a new workflow or preparing to run one that has not been exercised in a while, what is an appropriate number of test jobs to initially submit? And the correct answer is A, only 1. Ken, a couple of words on that.
If you remember nothing else from this talk, remember that. And whoever answered as many as needed, that was not funny. Though I suspect I know who you were.
Oh, okay. Well, you have a way to know, I bet, with the username. Oh dear. So,
Yes.
Okay, only submit 1 job to check if your workflow is okay, and then you can scale up if it's successful. Excellent. Question number 3. Project.pi is supported by the Fermilab Scientific Computing Division. And the answer here is no. And Ken, go ahead.
We don't control what people submit. You know, we don't forbid you to submit, but you are on your own. You will receive no help whatsoever with debugging or figure out why your job is inefficient, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera, if you are using project.py. However, you are still held to the same success rate and efficiency standards as anything else. So use at your own risk.
Thank you. And I take the opportunity to announce that there will be tomorrow a code makeover of how to switch from project.pi to POMS, and this has some content that Ken has prepared. So stay tuned on this, and then you will be taught the good way. And if you have problem, you can actually ask for help. People will support you if you use the new way of submitting jobs. Okay, question number 4. What is generally the best way to read a grid file for analysis within a grid job? The correct answer, and then you've been doing it at 91%. Excellent. This is open with the X3D URI. Ken, still want to comment on this?
I think that is well understood, so that's good.
Yeah, it's very well understood. Okay, last but not least, what is the best way to specify your desired operating system and environment in a grid job? And in here, this was actually not so well understood because only 1/4 of the people got the right answer. The right answer is B. Do not specify any OS, but control it with a singularity image class add. So, Ken, do you want to comment on this?
I mean, yes, the C is true in that, yes, the grid will pick something.
Okay.
By default, it will pick the default singularity image if singularity is working at the site, which it almost always is. But I say the best way is why I specifically said your desired. That way, you know exactly what you're getting.
Okay, great. Thank you so much. So I'm going to share the results so that you can see the result that we have. That is great. I hope you learn no matter what is your result. I really hope you learn from this, and